hair back to my natural color. I'm gonna dye it back to black. I'm officially over this hair color. I've been over it for a while. Like I have like a love-hate relationship with it. Sometimes I like it, but then sometimes I don't. And I just kind of want like a fresh start, new beginnings with new hair color going into the new year. I was really trying to wait till I went home because I wanted my grandma to see it. I'll just show her a pic because I'm tired. I'm currently uploading today's vlog, so this is going to be the next day vlog. Y'all, Vlogmas is a lot of work. Kudos to those YouTubers that are consistent with Vlogmas because this is really crazy. But anyways, where did I park?
Hello, welcome in. So we'll be here in just a moment.
Okay. Alright. So I just got to Sally's, trying to find the products that I need. Honestly, I don't think it should be that hard. We'll see. So this is the brand that I used when I first did my hair color. I want to say like I mixed this one and this one together. I can't remember. And then when I refreshed it and did my roots, I used this one. Or no, this one. I can't remember. But I'm not sure if I should try this brand for the black. I don't know. Let me try to get some help before I mess my hair up. Hi. Can I get some help with my hair color? Okay. I just wanted to dye it back my natural color, like dark brown.
Dark brown color.
I've used the Ion before. All right, so I want to show you guys what I got from Sally's. I don't know, they were about to close, so they weren't being as helpful. So I really hope this turns out good. Part of me was like, I'll just wait till I go back home to have my mom do it because my mom's a hairstylist. But I'm like, all I'm doing is dyeing it back my natural, like dark brown, black. So if I was, bleaching it and lightening it by myself, I should be able to do this by myself. And plus, when I go home, I don't want to spend all this time at the salon. Like I really want to spend it, at home with my family. So I think I'll just go ahead and do it now. Ion 20 volume to kind of help open my cuticles and like really deposit the color mixed together. Because they were out of this one, so I'm gonna mix the 2 and the 3 together. My clip-in extensions came in. I actually ordered these from Amazon, and I'm so excited. So this is how they look like. I filmed an unboxing. It'll be on my TikTok, but y'all ignore that pile of laundry. Oh my gosh. This is how they look like. I'm trying to picture myself with black hair, and I cannot picture myself with black hair. I'm like kind of scared. Guys, I'm like kind of starting to second guess dyeing my hair. I really like this hair color. It's so cute. Like I don't regret doing this hair color at all. Like I'm so happy that I did my hair like this, but it's like I just am ready for my black hair again. Like I'm just tired. Like I don't want to have to do my roots again. Like I'm just kind of like over color in my hair. I just want black, simple, natural. Like that's what I want. Guys, this was so messy, as you can see in my shirt. Like this, this was so messy. Luckily, I didn't get it on my nails, but it's like literally all over. It was all over my face. I wiped most of it off on my neck, my arms. Like this is crazy. All right, good morning, guys. I'm not gonna show you my face because I look crazy. But look at my hair. I just blew it out. I slept with some Jamaican black castor oil and some conditioner, like a nice hair mask, because my hair definitely got damaged. I should not have used that 20 volume. I should have went with my gut instinct and just used like a 10 volume because I don't think my hair needed all that. So my curls really loosened, so that was annoying. I feel like that lady probably didn't know what I don't know. I should have just went with my gut instinct. I washed the extensions last night as well, to get rid of that. I hate that glossy like silicone type of stuff that they put on hair extensions. So I went ahead and washed all of that off and the hair is nice and straight. Now I got 2 packs, and to be honest, I'm like, should I have gotten 3? Because this is like a little like thing for me. Like I'm wondering how well this is gonna blend into my hair. Like I feel like maybe 1 more pack would be good, but I just didn't want my head to be heavy. Like this is already 2 packs. But I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure.
It's called a job. It's called continuing to work, to make money, to pay for the things you need. It's not relying on people to bless you. It's called you decide to.
I don't know. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm listening to Kevin Samuels in the background.
And I know your children's fathers.
But as I'm flat ironing it, I'm just like, oh my gosh, it looks so healthy and shiny and sleek. I like it. This is Dior while I do my hair. Curled up in a ball in the sink.
Because
how cute.
I still don't understand how you live.
Guys. Guys, I'm like about to cry. This turned out way better than I thought it would look. Like I'm so happy the way this turned out. Like I cannot stop looking at myself. Like I feel like myself again. Like I feel like myself again with dark natural hair. Like I'm just so happy. Like I said, and I'm gonna keep saying, I don't regret that the hair color that I had, like the ginger. That was definitely a moment for the fall. Like I loved it, but I just wanted to get back to you know, my natural hair color, fresh start, like with this new year. Especially with my roots growing out like that. I didn't like that look because I knew I either wanted to like retouch my roots and keep going with that color, or just go back to my natural color and like, you know, restart. So I'm so happy the way this turned out. Like I'm like, these extensions, wait. I'm gonna link these down below. They'll be on my Amazon storefront because, child, these are perfect. Like my hair, you saw my hair. My hair is pretty thick. So these blended well with my hair. You just have to make sure you straighten your hair like a fresh like silk press. But you saw my hair before and now after. I'm at a loss for words. Like I'm so happy. I'm about to go ahead and finish my coffee, get some work done, and try to edit this video before I step out tonight. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. Like I said, be sure to check the description. I'll have this hair linked in my Amazon storefront. Follow my socials, you know, as always. And I will talk to you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.